Now, practice time, page number 11, NCERT. At what price per kg did Fazila sell the kingfish? See, price of 8 kg kingfish is 1200 rupees, which is given. So, we have higher amount. It means આપણી પાસે મોટી amount, મોટી વસ્તુ છે અને એને આપણે ઓછી કરવાની છે. Whenever we have higher amount and we have to decrease the amount, we have to do division. And whenever we have smaller amount and we have to increase the amount, we have to do multiplication. જ્યારે આપણી પાસે વધારે અમાઉન્ટની કોઈ વસ્તુ આપેલી હોય અને આપણે ઓછી અમાઉન્ટની ફાઇન્ડ કરવાની હોય ત્યારે આપણે ડિવિઝન કરવાનું, અને જ્યારે આપણી પાસે કોઈ ઓછી અમાઉન્ટની વસ્તુ આપેલી હોય અને આપણે વધારે અમાઉન્ટની વસ્તુ ફાઇન્ડ કરવાની હોય ત્યારે આપણે મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશન કરવાનું. સો લેટ અસ સી. Price of 1 kg fish is 1200 divided by 8. So we will divide 1200 with 8. So how we will divide? 1200 divided by 8. You can divide from here also. See, don't take into consideration these two zeros. Just keep in your mind 12 and 8. Now, if we divide, see, you can see that 12 and 8, both the numbers can be divided by 4. 4 3s gives 12 and 4 2s gives 8. See, over here you have to write 300 because these two zeros will remain as it is. Now 300 we have at top and 2 we have at bottom. Now don't take this last zero into consideration and divide 30 by 2. If we divide 30 by 2, we will get 15. Or just simply do half of 30 because at bottom we have 2. So 30 divided by 2 will be 15. So answer will be 150. Let me show you with this method also. See, 8 divided by 1200. 8 ones are 8 and 8 twos are will be 16. So over here we will write 1. Over here 8. 12 minus 8 gives 4. So 4 and 0 down. Now we have 8 and 40. 8 5s will be 40. 40 0 0. 40 minus 40 gives 0. Now this 0 down. We cannot divide this 0 further, so we will write 0 over here. You can see that answer is same in both the cases. You can do any of the method, but this method will be much easier for you. Now answer will be 150 kg. When price of 8 kg fish is 1200, 150 will be price of per kg fish. Flora has sold 10 kg prawns today. How much did she get for that? See, price of 1 kg prawn is 150. See, in this we have to do multiplication. We have smaller amount and we have to convert it into larger amount. So 150 multiply by 10. 0 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 0 zeros are 0. Now over here we will put 0. 1 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5 and 1 ones are 1. Over here 0, over here 0. 5 plus 0 will be 5 and 1 plus 0 will be 1. So answer will be 1500. 1500 rupee she has got from selling prawns. Gracie sold 6 kg swordfish. Minnie has earned as much money as Gracie. How many kg of sardines did Minnie sell? See, there is a girl, Gracie, who has sold 6 kg swordfish and price of per kg swordfish is 60. So we have to convert it into 60. So 60 multiply by 6. 6 zeros are 0 and 6 6 are 36. So answer will be 360 rupees. See students, consider this as rough work. I am doing this for showing you only multiplication and divisions. You have to write the things in your CW as it is given in assignment or litho, as you say. See, over here we have 360. Price of 6 kg swordfish is equal to 6 into 60, which will be 360, as I have done over here. This is money earned by Mini, which is 360. Now, money earned by Mini is equal to 360 rupees 360 of sardines is equal to 40 per kg. Hence, amount of sardines sold by Mini is equal to 360 plus 40. 0 plus 0 will be 0. 6 plus 4 will be 10. Sorry. We have to do division. Not this. We have to do division. 360 divided by 40. See, whenever we do division like this and we have zeros in both the places at numerator and denominator, we will cut 0, 0. Now if you speak the table of 36, if you speak the table of 4, there will come 36. 36 will come at 4 nines are. So we will cut 4 nines are 36. Answer will be 9. I will show you by this method also. 360 divided by 40. 40, you don't know the table of 40. So if you know the table of 4, then you have to put just 0 at the end. So 41s are 40, 42s are 43s are 44s are, and likewise when you come at 9, you will get 49s are 360. So answer will be 9. 9 kg will be the answer. Next one, Bashir has question mark 100. He spends 1/4 of the money on squid and another 3/4 on prawns. How many kilograms did he buy? There is a person named Bashir. He spends 1/4 of the money on squid and another 3/4 on prawns. Now 1/4 of 400 will be 100 divided by 4. If you divide 100 with 4, you will get, see, don't take into consideration this 0. Now 10 and 4, both the numbers comes in the table of 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. Now 0 as it is. Now 50 divided by 2. Whenever we have to divide by 2, we have to do half of that number. It means half of 50 will be 25. So 25 will be the answer. Now again dividing 100 by 4. 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. So 2 and 8. 10 minus 8 will be 2. 2 and this 0 down. Now 4 and 20. 4 5s are gives 20. 20 minus 20 will be 0 and 25 will be the answer. It means for buying squid, he is spending 25 rupees and price of squid is 50 rupees per kg. But see, this is bigger amount, this is smaller amount. So we have to do division. 25 is half of 50 rupees. Therefore, 1 kg divided by 2, it means half of 1 kg, which will be half kg. If 1/4 rupees, it means if 25 rupees is spent, then he will get half kg of squid. Next one, how many kilograms of prawns did he buy? See, from remaining rupees he is buying prawns. So what we have to do is 100 minus 25, which gives 75. 100 minus 25. We cannot subtract 0 from 5, 5 from 0, so 0 cut 10, 0 cut 9, 1 cut 0. 10 minus 5 will be 5, 9 minus 2 will be 7. So 75 will be the answer. 75 rupees is left with Basir. Now price of prawns is 150 rupees per kg. Again, this is smaller number, this is bigger number. Now see, whenever you multiply 75 with 2, you will get 150. So we if 1 kg is for 150 rupees, then for 75 we have to do half. Half of 150 will be 75. It means we will get half kg of prawns and half kg of squid. Next one, Women's Minkar Bank. The meeting of Minkar Bank has just begun. Faisla is president. 20 fishermen have made their own bank. Each saves rupees 25 every month and puts it in the bank. See, there are 20 women and one woman is putting 25 rupees into the bank. We have smaller amount and we have to multiply it with bigger amount. So, for suppose, if, see, we will write over here, woman and rupees. One woman puts 25 rupees, then 20 women will put how much? For this, we will do cross multiplication. It means we will multiply 20 with 25. So 25 into 20. 5 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0. Over here 0. 5 twos are 10, 0 down, 1 carry. 2 twos are 4, plus 1 5. 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, and 5 plus 0 will be 5. So answer will be 500. Every month 500 rupees goes into the bank. Now how much money will be collected in 10 years? See, 1 month collection, this is 500 rupees. See, time and rupees. In 1 month we are collecting 500 rupees. So first of all we will multiply it with 12 to convert it into year. So 12 month is equal to how much? So we will multiply 500 with 12. 500 into 12. 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, and 5 twos are 10. Over here we have 0. 1 zeros are 0, 1 zeros are 0, and 5 ones are 5. 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, and 5 plus 1 will be 6. This is the amount collected in 12 months, which means 1 year. Now we have year and rupees. In 1 year we are collecting 6,000 rupees. So we have to find out amount collected in 10 years. So 1 year and 10 year is equal to how much? So we have to multiply 6,000 with 10. 0 zeros are 0, 0 zeros are 0, 0 zeros are 0, and 6 zeros are 0. Now over here 0. 1 zeros are 0, 1 zeros are 0, 1 zeros are 0, and 6 ones are will be 6. Now we have 0, 0, 0, 0, and 6. This will be 60,000 rupees. It means in 10 years 60,000 rupees are collected. Now next one,